Do you recognize any of these words? Landmark, compass, map, route, bird's eye view, legend. These are all words to do with mapping, and today we're doing a mapping exercise. I will talk about each of these words as they come up, but you may want to look these up ahead of time by pausing the video and looking in dictionary.com or another dictionary online or in person. So how do you get to school? This is kind of a funny topic for us because we're all working from home right now. But what route did you take to get to school every day? Did you walk? Did you bike? Did you take the bus? Did somebody drive you? And how did you get there? So what your task is to draw a bird's eye view of your route to school. So that means just that. Like imagine a crow flying over the field, and what do they see? They're looking down. So this is a view from above of your route to school. Like many maps take that view. So you're going to include a legend, which is like a key. So what colors and what lines mean what. And you're going to include your house, your school, dashed lines or arrows leading to the school, landmarks you pass on your route. So when you're heading to Ernest Moro, Ernie Star Arena would be a good landmark to tell people where to turn. So it's a building, something familiar. It might be a store like a 7-Eleven. It could be a monument or an art piece, but it's something that is noticeable that you would describe to somebody when you're describing how to get somewhere. And you need a compass, which is this picture in the right-hand corner. So that's the directions. So north, east, south, west. That's how we orient ourselves on a map, and it's how we can all kind of speak the same language when we're talking about how to get somewhere. So why are we doing this? To learn the features of a map, to learn how to read a map, to understand where you are and how you participate in your community. Because knowing where we are and what our community is about and who else is near us is a really important thing. So this is a bird's eye view of a community. You can see the cars on the outside, you can see the roadways and the roofs of the houses. That's a bird's eye view. This is a bird's eye view in 2 dimensions of how you get to Sunnyside School. So if you live near there, you may want to come back and look at this slide again. And this is a bird's eye view of Ernest Moro School and how you get there. And at the bottom, you can see Ernie Star Arena. And so that kind of clues you into where to turn to get to Ernest Moro School. This is an example of what I want you to do. So this person's home is in pink in the bottom right corner. And there are dashed red lines that are the route to school. Okay, so they take Stony Trail, then they end up on 17th Avenue Southeast, and they go up 52nd Street and then left towards Ernest Moro School. There are several landmarks on the map: Elliston Park, a coffee shop, Sobeys, another store of some kind, some water. And they have included a legend. So the dashed red lines are the road. The pink is home. Yellow is Ernest Moro School. Blue is water. So I want you to include a legend. And then there's also a compass with north, east, south, west, so that we know which direction this person has come from. They started in the south and they moved to the north. They also started in the east and moved further west. So I want you to give that orientation when you're drawing your map. I hope you have fun with this. Thanks so much.